Hello everyone, grab the sides of the hair and tie in the middle of the wrap and drop the tail into the loop, making a twisted band. With the remaining section of the hair along with the tail we have, how it split into two parts and how the left part drop into the right and how it come down and make it split into three parts and how it into a thicker braid and fold the braid and make it to a top left and how it place by dropping a little hairpin through it and decorate with a lovely hairpin on the right side of the braid we just now created. Grab the sides of the hair and tie in the middle of the wrap band and drop the tail into the loop, making a twisted band. With the remaining section of the hair along with the tail we have, how does a ponytail and how a wrap band touch the top middle part and create a loop in the middle one, drop the tail into it. Then split the tail into three equal parts and braid it. Then attach the braid to one of the loop of the second wrap band and make it into the middle, making it as a bun and move the entire bun to the top and have it in place by dropping a beautiful hairpin to the wrap band. Grab the sides of the hair, tie in the middle of the wrap and drop the tail into the loop. With the remaining section of the hair at the back, split into four equal tails, and along with the first tail we have 5 tails. So totally we have 5, so you have to braid it. It's very simple. First cross the middle one and cross the other 2 tails on the left side so that you traverse from left to right and come back to the left side. So this is how you should braid it. So do the same braiding until you reach the bottom and secure the end with the wrap band. Roll the braid and make it to the top and have it in place by dropping beautiful hairpin. Go for a ponytail and insert a beautiful hairpin from the top of the wrap band and move to the bottom and secure it there. With the remaining tail we have comb it and split it into 3 equal parts and have it braided into a thicker manner and do the braiding until you reach the bottom and secure the end with the wrap band. Then roll the braid inwards and make it to the top and have it in place by dropping little hairpin after pinching out the braid at the sides to make it flatter. That's it, we are done. Have a lovely collection of hairpin and go for a ponytail and create a gap underneath it using a finger. Drop the entire tail into it, make it go from bottom to top and have it come down, split them into 2 and have it tighten a little bit, then split the tail into 3 parts and have it braided. Do the same braiding until you reach the bottom and secure the end with the wrap band. Then once when you complete that, roll the braid inwards and make it to the top and have it in place by dropping the beautiful hairpin through the braid we have. Stretch the bun forward. Go for a ponytail and have a wrap band attach the middle part of it and create a loop in the middle one. You know what to do. Drop the tail into it, making a twisted band. Then drop the tail inwards and have it go around the wrap band we have and make it go to the bottom. Then secure the whole hairstyle by dropping your favorite hair band around that to decorate your hairstyle even more further. Wind a lovely ribbon on top of your ponytail and split the tail into 3 equal parts and have it braided. It's a usual form of braiding. You have to cross the tails as usual as we do before, but cross the middle tail only with the ribbon we have. This is how you should braid it. Do the same braiding until you reach the bottom, and with the excess part of the ribbon we have it as a bow tie design and secure it with a wrap band if you want, or you can also decorate with a lovely hairpin on top of that. Insert the very long bun maker behind your ponytail horizontally and twist the entire tail onto it, making it completely hidden. So do the twisting, and once when you complete that, have it swirl in an anti-clockwise direction, making it as a bun, and continue twisting until you form a smooth bun. Then after that, with the excess tip we have it hidden behind the bun we created. Then have the whole bun in place, drop in the lovely hair bun on top of that, or you can move the pretty tip to its side on the top on its position. Divide your hair from the bottom into 2 sections and have it twisted across each other into a thicker braid. Do the same braiding until you reach the bottom and secure the end with the wrap band. So once when you finish the braiding, fold the braid to half and make it to the top and have it in place by dropping a beautiful hair clutcher out of your collection. So do have a lovely collection of hair clutchers depending on your fashion choice. If you want to decorate your hairstyle even more further, you can pinch out the hair on the top section. Insert a very long bun maker behind the bunch you made on the top section and twist the entire bunch onto it, make it into a singular braid and continue doing the braiding until your bottom and have the end secure with the wrap band. And once when you do that, roll the ponytail into a clockwise direction, making it as a bun and hide the tip underneath the bun we created. Have the whole bun in place by moving the pretty tip to its position at the bottom. Thank you everyone for watching this video.